I'd recommend Growth Club to anybody, anybody who wants to take their business to the next level, or even survival, especially these challenging times. This is about not only getting the advice and the expertise from the coaches from Growth Club, but also meeting like-minded people. I definitely recommend it. If you're serious about making something out of your business, and we talked about your personal life as well, then Growth Club is a really good place to come to.
Getting time away from the day-to-day of my business in order just to focus purely on planning for the next 3 months. I really enjoy it, and it really does help me to focus my energy over the coming 3 months as well. So Growth Club is particularly useful to me in my business in growing it and making sure that I'm setting good goals that I can achieve over the next quarter.
It gets my head into the right frame of mind for thinking about what my next 90 days need to look like. I'm a big believer that I write the plan here for my business, but my goals are always spread across my employees, so the Monday after I always immediately share what we've created with them so that we as a team can work together to achieve the goals for the business for those 90 days.
You get to work with like-minded businesses who are in the same position as you, who want to learn, who want to improve themselves, and you often get stuck planning your quarter, and I think being able to bounce ideas off with your coach and other people in the same area is helpful.
Growth Club, it's my first time here. I've enjoyed it today because it has given me a goal to work towards. So I now know that I have to achieve these goals in the next 90 days, and I know how to do it with various steps.
To be honest, I haven't been for a couple, and this is the first one. It's the first one I've been to this year, and it's really helped in putting the systems in place to get the new business started. So yeah, it's been good.
I just think if you don't want to work on your business and you don't want to progress it, then don't come. But if you do want to work on your business, then why wouldn't you want to? For me, the biggest thing has been able to break down big goals into something a bit more achievable with some guidance, because otherwise I'm kind of on my own trying to figure things out.
It's having that day just to actually plan for the future, which is one thing I never did before I was with ActionCOACH. It's really nice to set aside a bit of time to work on the business rather than in the business. Again, being self-employed, you spend all your time doing the work and never actually thinking about the next step for the business and growing it. I would tell them definitely to do it. Again, I was very sceptical in the first place until I tried it, and it really did change the way I look at my business from it being a job to it actually being a business.